You won't believe these places have water this clear. Wait until you see last one, Maldives. The Maldives is famous for its crystal clear water and white sandy beaches. Bada Bada. Its turquoise lagoon looks almost too perfect to be real. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia. These lakes are so clear you can see straight to the bottom. Palawan, Philippines. A tropical paradise with some of the clearest water on Earth. Blue Lake, New Zealand. Scientists consider it one of the clearest natural lakes in the world. Which place would you visit first? Subscribe for more.